We're here in Coffee Bay, and this evening we're going to have ourselves a braai, or you call it a barbecue, huh? Right there, going to get ourselves some meat, lots of beers and things, but before that we're going to go surfing, right in the water over there. None of us has really surfed before, so it's quite interesting, but obviously we can't really take the camera surfing, so you just have to take our word for it when we say that we're really good, even though we haven't done it yet.
We've had one lesson of surfing now, so we're going to put it to the test, try out what we learned yesterday in the big old ocean. You might as well just call us Surfateers.
Surfateers!
Well, you know, surfing's my life. I just love it, being in the sea with my board, catching waves, you know. If I had to sum it up, I'd say surfing is life, and yesterday I already found that. I really understood that.
To me.
To you. Oh, chuckle vision.
So we're growing moustaches in December just because we can. We haven't got a job. Our girlfriend's at home. So why not, eh?
I've never grown a moustache before, and I've always wondered, and then I realised this is why. This is why. Because I was a teacher as well, so.
But back to the important stuff. We are cooking a braai. Additionally here, they use wood. They don't use charcoal or gas. They're right down to basics. So we're doing it South African style. We've had our wood on for about. I've had wood. We've had the wood on for about an hour and a half now.
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
And it's nearly ready to cook. So check back in when the meat's on, and we'll see what we've got.
The reason it's called Coffee Bay is because apparently there was a big ship, I don't know when, a long time ago.
Hundreds of years.
Yeah, that was full of coffee that got wrecked offshore, and then all the coffee beans washed up upon the coastline near here, including just here, and they got the name Coffee Bay. So it's quite a nice story as to that.
For the braai, I'm making a tomato and pepper salsa, a recipe that I learnt from a professor in Uganda. Everyone fancies themselves as a food critic these days. Judgy.
I get a picture of it. It looks tasty. Good.
What are you listening to, Will? Jeffreys Bay, which is one of the stops on the World Surfing Championships. It's like here in Hawaii and some other ridiculous places. So we're going to go and try out some of our surfing skills, see how good we are. There was also a shark attack here recently.
Hi there. Join us here at Tsitsikamma Bay, where we're just about to do some kayaking and liloing. We're just right by the coast now, and the sea is very red. We don't know why.
That was really good. That's the first time I've been sea kayaking, and it was really good, really choppy. So you got a lot of drama.
Some of the people were kayaking their pants, I reckon, because they weren't very good at it. we've just arrived at the elephant sanctuary in South Africa. Where are we? Platinum's Bay, near Tsitsikamma. And we're here to look at the elephants, and there's one here, very, very well behaved.
I'm surprised.
You can touch them.
It's even, we've said be still.
Yeah.
And it's just
Like, still as rock.
posing for the photo.
Amazing creatures. Loads of blinkers. Well, amazing.
Poke it in the eye.
It's got a big crack down here. I don't know what that must be, from a fight or something.
Yeah, they might be like a...
Or is that how they give birth?
Yeah, that's how they give birth, yeah.
That?
That was amazing. They're huge. Like, and that's not even fully grown. She's not even fully grown.
How was that?
Brilliant. Really nice. Got a good strong grip. Let's go.
So quick.
Hey!
What are you considering, Tom?
We're on the way to the highest bungee jump in the world, and I'm considering doing it. And there's a bit of poo on the seat, I think.
Great. Bungee jumps are normally really expensive. Today there's a special offer. It's only $30. No strings attached. Okay, you might have to shout because of the wind. How are you feeling, Tom?
I'm a bit scared now. Although the bungee isn't actually as long as the drop. The drop is.
That's good, really.
Yeah, that's
You'd be
good.
worried if the bungee was longer than the drop.
What I mean is the drop is a lot longer than the bungee. So I was thinking you maybe have like 5 or 10 seconds of free fall, but I think it's only like 2 or 3.
What are we doing whilst Tom does a bungee jump?
An ice cream.
A Magnum and a beer. It's great, yeah? Good choice. Yeah.
Tell us, how do you feel now?
Awesome. You feel so much better once you've done it. I got my certificate, and yeah, it was amazing free fall. Like I've never experienced free fall like that before. I've not done a skydive, and the bungee jump I'd done before was quite short, so you felt the pull quite quickly. But here you're free falling, you kind of, my eyes must have been so open. So yeah, pleased I've done it. Great feeling. So we're just gonna head back to our hostel, and the hostel is cooking a braai for us.